You got a cute way of talking. You got the better of me. Just snap your fingers and I'm walking, hanging on just like a tree. You put a spell on me, la-dee-da-dee-da-dee-dee. You make me feel like dancing. I want to dance the night away. Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Close Up Natasha. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, name and Wyndham, all my new goom. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey everybody, today, our OJIBWE word of the day. Tabadane dizzy win, humility. Have a little humility, that's what I say. I'm really shy. I'm super shy. I don't like to be very expressive. I'm really self-conscious and I don't like to be on camera. I'm what we call Indianish. Nah. I'm just the opposite of Indianish. But humility is one of our 7 Anishinaabe teachings. And I don't think it means you're supposed to be shy. I think it means you're supposed to be humble. Like, don't think you're better than everybody else. You know, just be humble. Be grateful. Be humble. Otherwise, I think it's fine to, sing and dance. Anyway, Dabadane Dizzy Win, humility. And I just wanted to say that and get it out of the way because this is actually, I wanted to invite you to come to our YouTube channel on New Year's Eve. We're going to have a New Year's Eve party and it's going to be a live stream. It's going to look just like this. So my name is Natasha, if anyone's new to the channel. We do OJIBWE language and culture, but we also sing songs and tell jokes and tell stories and that. So why don't you come over at 11:30 on New Year's Eve and, party with us. So anyway, without further ado, I would like to introduce the star of the show. Actually, NANABOOZHOO is the star of the show. Aren't you, sweetie? Yeah, I guess. But let's turn the camera over to Michael Lyons. And Michael, you can talk a little more about our New Year's Eve party. All right. Gigawabamin, Milowa, Hawa.
Thank you, Natasha.
Oh, no problem.
Let me adjust the camera here. And BOOZHOO everybody. My name is Michael Lyons, and this is sort of what our New Year's Eve party will look like. We're going to do a live stream. This is a pre-taped commercial for the live stream party, New Year's Eve, NANABOOZHOO, Natasha, and myself. And what we'll probably do is just ring in the new year, and people can write in if you're just hanging out at home, and we'll count down the last 10 seconds in OJIBWE and sing some songs. It'll be from 11:30 until 12 on New Year's Eve Central Time. And then let me begin the show with the I guarantee I'm going to screw this up. This is Rush, Fly By Night. See, I told you. I just learned it this morning. try. I know why. This feeling inside me says it's time I was gone. Clear head, new life ahead. It's time I was king and not just one more pawn. Fly by night away from here. Change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Moonrise, thoughtful eyes, staring back at me from the window beside. No fright or hindsight, leaving behind that empty feeling inside. Fly by night away from here. Change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Start a new chapter, I find what I'm after. It's changing every day. Change of the seasons, enough of a reason to want to get away. Quiet and pensive, my thoughts apprehensive, the hours drift away. Leaving my homeland, living my own land, my life begins today. Fly by night away from here. Change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Fly by night, Rush. And I just learned that not 8 hours ago. But so yeah, our New Year's Eve party will be me and Natasha and NANABOOZHOO. Maybe a guest appearance from a couple of the Res Dogs. And I'll play some songs, and maybe NANABOOZHOO will tell a story or something like that. So let me leave that there. NANABOOZHOO, you want to come and say hello to the people before we sign out of our very long commercial? Yeah, sure, man. Let me come over and say hello to the people. But you've got to put on my hand. Hold on. So let's see. There'll probably be a lot of dead air and this kind of thing because it'll be live. So I'm just going to give you a taste. All right, so NANABOOZHOO. Thanks. Why were you strangling me? Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. There we go. But now I don't have my stick. Hold on a sec. Do you think Ernie has to deal with this? You think Bert would tolerate this for 1 minute? BOOZHOO! I wonder now the microphone's all out of place. How's that? All right. I'm not going to promise that our Halloween, what holiday do I think it is? I'm not going to promise that our New Year's Eve party isn't going to be just like this, this unorganized, but whatever. It's got to be better than watching Anderson Cooper. All right, I'm just going to say it. Not everybody thinks Anderson Cooper is America's sweetheart. I'm so sick of watching that guy. I mean, I hate to say it because I've had like no plans on New Year's Eve for so long that I actually have an opinion on the TV programs. But for the last number of years, it's been Anderson Cooper and that unfunny redhead who did that. What was her name? Kathy Griffith. Remember when Kathy Griffith got in trouble for posting a picture of herself holding the head of Donald Trump? It was all bloody. I mean, how is that comedy? I'm not saying it's even offensive. It's just stupid. It's just not funny. I lost my stick. I lost my Dewey gun nuttig. I lost my drumstick. But yeah, so New Year's Eve. A time to count down the years, to say goodbye to the old, to kind of make new resolutions. It's a good time to sort of say, you know what? All right, from now on, we're starting over. Tomorrow is a new year. So we're going to quit doing the bad stuff, and we're going to start doing the good stuff. And I'm going to, get my stuff in order. I'm going to start working out. I'm going to stop putting myself down. I don't know. Maybe you'll decide to finally break up with that person. It's like, come on. I've been putting this off for 3 years now. I'm going to quit spending all my time and energy and money on somebody I don't even love. You know? It's a good time for quitting. I'm going to quit drinking. I'm going to put that bottle down for one last time. You always knew you were going to eventually. You know? Why not this year? So anyway, I'll try to think of something funny to say on New Year's Eve. Some comedy bits. Like, what's something funny? So a moth walks into a lawyer's office. And he says, "Excuse me, sir." No, he walks into a doctor's office. Moth goes into a doctor's office. He goes, "Doctor, can you help me? I'm so depressed. I keep screwing this up." A moth goes into a podiatrist's office, a foot doctor. He says, "Doctor, can you help me? I'm so depressed. I've lost the will to live. I can hardly get out of bed in the morning. When I look at my face in the mirror, I hate who I see. All my dreams have gone away. And can you help me?" And the podiatrist said, "Well, I'd like to help you, sir, but you see, I'm not that kind of doctor. I'm a foot doctor. What you want is like a psychiatrist or something. That's a different kind of doctor." And anyway, it says that right on my door, podiatrist's office. Why did you even come in here? And the moth said, "Well, your light was on." His light was on. You know, because moths. Anyway. All right. Well, hey, yeah, please come to our New Year's Eve party. It'll be Thursday, New Year's Eve. I think that's New Year's Eve. At 11:30 Central Time. For me and Michael and Natasha. BOOZHOO! And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hawa.